In this video, I'll show you how to check internal display settings in Windows 11. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. If you love to check the internal display in your Windows 11, just click on your sidebar right, click on your settings, wait for it to open up. Once it has opened up, you're going to click on this display right. From this display, you're going to gradually scroll down. So this is the advanced display. Then click on this. Once you click on this, you're going to see the internal display, right? So this is where you can check the internal display in your Windows 11. So right here you can see your desktop mode, your active signal mode, your bit depth, your color format, your color space. So this is basically where you can get all the advanced display informations right here on your Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I hope you all found this video helpful. I'm going to see you all in the very next